Hannah, what makes mommy sad?
When Jason and Tina go on the couch sometimes.
It's expensive.
Yeah. What is mommy really good at?
A game.
What game?
A puzzle game.
Hmm.
Okay, what is mommy not good at?
I don't know. A kiss.
A kiss? Mwah.
What is something that you're really proud of mommy for?
She does soccer by her own.
And how did you learn that?
She does kick the ball.
Did you teach her?
Yes.
What is something that you and mommy like to do together?
Make strawberry cake.
Yeah. How do you know that mommy loves you?
Because I do lots of nice things to share with.
Mommy shares with you or you share with mommy?
I share with mommy.
Aww.
Aww.
What does mommy not like to do?
She doesn't like to go drown.
I don't like to what?
Go drown.
She doesn't like to drown?
I don't like to drown.
Okay.
It's true.
What is mommy's favorite thing to do?
Play with
Aww. Hannah, what's something mommy taught you to do?
a trick.
What kind of trick?
A bunny trick.
A bunny trick? What's your favorite books to read with mom?
Love Monster.
Love Monster.
What's your favorite movie to watch with mom?
A spooky movie.
What's your favorite holiday?
Halloween.
What's mama's favorite holiday?
Halloween.
Hannah, what's something you and mommy love to do together?
Play outside. Aww. Look, the kitties are looking at the window.
They are.
Hannah, what's mommy's favorite food to eat?
Chocolate vanilla.
Chocolate vanilla. I don't really like chocolate that much.
Hannah, where is somewhere that you really want to go with mom?
The zoo.
That's it. I love cooking with you. This is fun. You too?
Yes.
And can I have a kiss?